In a grand African kingdom, the land was parched and the rivers had run dry. The people were worried as the crops withered and animals suffered. Princess Amina, a kind and brave young girl, watched her people struggle and decided she had to find a way to end the drought. Amina consulted with the village elders, wise and ancient, who spoke of the spirit of the savannah. Legend said the spirit held the key to ending the drought. Determined to save her kingdom, Amina listened intently to their advice. With hope in her heart, Amina prepared for her journey. She gathered provisions including water, food, and a map. She said goodbye to her family and friends who wished her luck and courage. Amina set off on her journey into the vast savannah, carrying her small bag. The landscape stretched endlessly before her, but she was brave and adventurous, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. As she traveled, Amina marveled at the beauty of the savannah. The golden grasslands swayed in the breeze, majestic baobab trees stood tall, and diverse wildlife roamed freely. The sight filled her with awe and determination. The scorching heat of the savannah tested Amina's resolve. She struggled with limited water and the relentless sun, but she remained determined to continue her journey, knowing her people depended on her. One day, Amina met a wise elephant named Nia. Nia taught her about strength and patience, showing her how to find hidden water sources and endure the journey's hardships. Further along, Amina encountered a swift cheetah named Jabari. Jabari showed her the importance of speed and agility, teaching her how to move quickly and gracefully through the savannah. A group of playful monkeys, led by Kazi, helped Amina find water in a hidden spring. They taught her about resourcefulness and the importance of community, working together to solve problems. After many days of travel, Amina rested under a large baobab tree. She reflected on the lessons she had learned so far, feeling grateful for the wisdom and support of the animals she had met. Amina then met a wise lion named Rafiki. Rafiki taught her about courage and leadership, showing her how to lead with compassion and strength. Amina faced a dangerous encounter with a wild animal, but she used her newfound courage and the skills she had learned to safely navigate the situation, emerging unscathed. Finally, Amina reached the heart of the savannah, where she found the spirit of the savannah embodied by an ancient glowing tree. The air was serene and powerful, and she knew she had found what she was looking for. The spirit of the savannah spoke to Amina, telling her that the key to ending the drought was unity and selflessness. She must gather her people and the animals to work together, planting trees and conserving water. Filled with new hope, Amina made her way back to the kingdom. Along the way, she shared the spirit's message with everyone she met, inspiring them to unite and work together. Back in her kingdom, Amina led her people and the animals in a united effort to restore the land. They planted trees, conserved water, and worked together as one community. As the kingdom worked together, the rains finally returned. The parched land began to flourish once more, bringing joy and life back to the kingdom. The kingdom celebrated the return of the rain and thanked Princess Amina for her bravery and wisdom. They rejoiced, grateful for the lessons she had brought back. Princess Amina reflected on her journey, understanding the importance of unity, respect for nature, and selflessness. She knew these values would keep her kingdom strong and prosperous. Through her journey, Amina learned that true strength comes from within, and that helping others and protecting the natural world are noble and rewarding pursuits. She taught her people that by working together, respecting nature, and being selfless, they could overcome any challenge. A moral of the story: Princess Amina's journey teaches us that by working together, respecting nature, and being selfless, we can overcome great challenges. True strength and leadership come from unity and compassion,